Okay, well, come on over. You can be my assistant to help me spin the wheel.
What wheel?
It's on my phone. It's to pick the winner. You want to come help?
Sure.
All right, cool. All right, come on. You want to help me pick the winner? All right. Well, hey, folks. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are having a great day. Happy Sunday to you. So it's been 7 days since I posted the unboxing and giveaway video on these Muson LED headlights. And today is the day we pick the winner, right?
Yep.
Yeah, buddy. So I've got an app on my phone here. Let's see, let me just see what's going on with it. So we had, what is it, 1, 2, and I'll put this up on the screen here.
4,
So we had,
5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Had 6 comments on the video, 8 total actually, 1 being myself and then the other being Corbin Styles, but he doesn't count, right? Because you don't have a car. You don't have a car to put headlights in. So anyway, so I've got 6 comments on the video, and then what I've done here is I went ahead and downloaded this app for, and again I'll put this up on the screen here. I've got this
that my assistant
kind of giveaway
is going to help me with.
that my assistant is going to help me with. So let me just show you that real quick. I just went ahead and put all the names of the commenters on this wheel. Yep. All right, so all you got to do, buddy, all you got to do, push that button right in the middle that says spin. Go ahead. Just show you that real quick. I just went ahead and put all the names of the commenters on this wheel. All right, tell us who the winner is. All right, so all you got to do, buddy, all you got to do, push that button right in the middle that says spin. Go ahead. Oh, looks like the winner is Contestant Sky. Show it to him. Tell us who the winner is. There you go, Contestant Sky. So congratulations, Contestant Sky. You are the winner of these Muson F1 Series 9005 LED bulbs.
Oh, yeah?
So I'll try and reach out to you.
Am I going to spin it again?
No, we only spin it one time. We only have one giveaway.
Oh.
So that's it. So I'll reach out to you through the comments in this video below, and if you just want to drop me an email, my email address is on my About section of my YouTube channel. If you just drop me an email with your address, I will get these shipped out to you next week. So guys, again, thank you all very much for the 500,000 views on this channel. Actually, I think we're up to like 540,000 now or something. You know, that really means a lot to me. And stay tuned, because I've actually got another giveaway. I've got another video.
And then I'll spin the wheel on your phone.
Yeah, you can do the next one too.
How about we get like 5 giveaways?
5. Well, we'll have 3 giveaways on the next video.
Okay, and then on the next video, 6.
6. Ooh, we'll have to find us some stuff to give away then.
Yeah, how about we give away?
All right, guys. So again,
the Super Clean
yeah.
stuff, and you buy another Super Clean one,
Yeah.
and then you get the other person to get 6 Super Clean stuff.
Okay.
Like a long sleeve and a hoodie.
Oh, that would be nice.
And
we'll save that for the next video, okay?
Okay. And
All right.
also a Super Clean cord.
Okay. All right.
Just
All right, guys.
So,
okay. All right, guys. So again, I just want to give a shout out to Muson for sending these LED headlights over to me. Yeah, Muson. Muson?
No, neither.
Muson? I don't know. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And Contestant Sky, again, just drop me an email. I'll get these mailed out to you free of charge next week. Thank you all again for subscribing to the channel. If you haven't done so already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And be sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when my next videos come out, particularly the next giveaway video. So guys, as always, I appreciate your support. Thanks for stopping by the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.